Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I bring for you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like it, or if you like, don't forget to comment me that I can bring for you beautiful video. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see the first picture, you can see the kitchen and the room. You can see the kitchen, the black color, the white color cupboard and all, the pink color door, beautiful decoration and all. This one you can see the window, you can open and come out, beautiful decoration to the roof, a very beautiful glass and all, looking very beautiful, very creative, very good also. And this one also very beautiful, you can see the lamp and the chair and all, beautiful. And the table, you can see the floor, you can see shining. This one, the sofa, you can see the table, white color theme and the brown color. You can see the frame and all, the beautiful frame, the books are there, beautiful decoration and all. This one decoration is also beautiful. You can see the up windows and all, means sunroof, beautiful sunroof. And you can see the down wooden theme and the white color, and you can see your pictures and all. This one, the sunroof, you can see the long sunroof, very beautiful sunroof. And down you can see wood color theme, olden times, beautiful decoration. This one you can see a beautiful bathroom and all. You can see the design and the ideas and decoration, beautiful. And the small plants, very beautiful decoration. And it's also very beautiful, no roof, beautiful. In the sky and the chair you can see, and there you can sit and eat food or enjoy with friends. It will very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the frame and all, beautiful frame, silver color. And the window, you can see the floor, roof, everything very beautiful. It's also very good. You can see the wooden color theme down, and the window, the up, you can see the roof, you can see the V-type shape, beautiful. And this one also you can see the floor, beautiful floors and all, and the design, decoration. And the TV, you can see the downstairs is going. It's also very beautiful, very good. This one also you can see the window open and you can come up, beautiful view. And it is too much winter, beautiful, too much summer in this place, very beautiful place. This one also you can see beautiful things and all. You can see the plants and all, and down you can see the wooden themes and the table chair, beautiful decoration and view. I like this one. And the other picture I like, you can see the frame, you can see the sticks they are putting, beautiful decoration and all, the floor. And it's also very beautiful. You can you can cook their food. The side you can see the oven, and the up roof is not there, looking very beautiful without roof, very good also. You can see the decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the bathroom and all, the mirror, you can see mirror, the back side you can see the lights and all, beautiful lights. It's also very beautiful. You can see the small grass down, maybe it is a carpet grass, but looking very beautiful. The side small plants, it is real. The opposite small plants, very beautiful. It is also beautiful. Everything is very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment me down so that I can bring for you beautiful videos and impress you. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Love you all guys. Wait for the next video.